How to see someone added you on Snapchat. So if you want to see how someone added you on Snapchat, then first open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you just need to simply go with the add option, which will be on the upper right, or the contacts option. Just simply tap on it and it will take you to this kind of interface, which is add friends. And now you just need to simply go with the section, which is added me, which is on the first, right? Tap on view more, and here below the username of the person, you will see by search, by quick add. So if you have by search, that means the person has searched your name or searched your username and then send you friend request or follow request. And if you have by quick add, that means if you scroll down, then here you will have an option of quick add, right? On the bottom of added me, you will have quick add. So if you tap on add under your quick add, then the other person will be notified that you've sent a request by quick add. So this is the same way. If you have by quick add, that means you've been appeared on their quick add and they've sent you the request. And if you have by mention option, that means someone has mentioned you and by mention they've sent you the request. That's how you can see how someone added you on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.